stars are shining.
My name's Sam.
My name's Ryan. My name's Max.
And we are 3 out of 4.
To a true harmonious tune. This is a song and I'll sing it.
Well, throughout this project we've been working with Tinderbox Orchestra to write and produce a song for the upcoming concert on the 7th of June at Mac Arts, and the song that we've done is Night to Remember. The song was originally written by myself and Ryan over here, and we've been orchestrating it with Rab, who's he's been really good at getting all the parts down together and getting what the meaning of the song is.
Getting our own parts that we created down as well, so that we could so that the orchestra can write for the orchestra.
Definitely performing the piece with the orchestra. That's been amazing.
Just being able to hear the huge sound of the orchestra with the guitars, and when I wrote the main riff in my room, I didn't expect that to come with it, and it just sounded amazing.
Just meeting all the other musicians and sharing with them.
Back, they begin to show it's up.